Hi, my name is Parker Pavlicek.
And I'm Eric Kubischta.
This is our project for ECE 676. This is a LED chessboard, light up chessboard that teaches people how to play chess or just lets users have more fun playing chess. So what we have here is the initial setup for the chessboard that, as you can see, that all the pieces are on the correct starting position besides one piece, which is highlighted in red. Once we add that piece, you're going to see that the lights are going to turn off like this. That means that everything's ready to go. Once that happens, then we're going to come over to this LCD screen over here that is going to ask you if you want to play a new game, which from there you can select one player, two player. If you select one player, you can play against as white or black. Let's say we want to play black, and then we can play against an artificial intelligent chess engine that we have loaded on there named Stockfish. Or if you want to play two player, then you can go through a couple more options there of sound, or you can play two player, sound on or off. So the sound is on. Now, chess always starts as white's turn. So now it's ready to move. So let's say we want to make a move. What happens is that we pick up a piece, and then you can see the piece light up, and then that's the available moves that you can go to. Now you put down a piece, and then it will shut the lights off. That means that the move was made. Then you can, again, do that on black, let's say. Say I pick up a knight on black. These are the two available moves for knight. Put down knight. Now we have all the special moves already programmed in: captures, castling and passants, pawn upgrades, and a couple others that we have, heirs as well. And we're going to walk you through some of those now. So another thing that we have added in is a hint button that will give you the best optimal move as outputted by our AI chess engine. So you press a button on the LCD screen here, and it's going to tell you what the best move is outputted by that AI engine. It's telling me to move this pawn on black. It's black's turn, and move this pawn here. So I do that, I pick it up, but it also lights up any other available move that can be made, but the blinking one is the optimal move to make in this case. Set that down. Now let's say I want to do and now it changed to white's turn. Now let's say I want to do a capture, so I'm going to have to make two moves here. So let's do that, and then I'll just make one other random move as well. So that's black's move. Now let's say I want to capture with this pawn. When I lift this up, I see all the different moves I can make. Blue means the square I came from. Green means I'm able to go there. Red means capture. So I can capture this pawn, or I can capture this knight here. Let's say I want to capture the knight. Pick up the knight, and I put down the pawn, and it captures the knight.
So the way this is working is each square underneath it has a reed switch, which is basically a piece of metal that is away from each other until a magnetic field comes in contact with it. So under each piece, we put a magnet underneath. So when the magnet comes above the reed switch, it closes the connection and completes the circuit. The logic behind all this is running using a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, and on top of it we are running Stockfish, which is an open source chess engine. And the chess engine is doing the logic for the hint and also for single player mode. The light logic is from NeoPixel LEDs. We had to use, or at least wanted to use, NeoPixels because we only wanted to use effectively one GPIO pin instead of upwards of 3 times 64 GPIO pins. So there's a big chain of NeoPixels running underneath the board, and then we had to use an Arduino for the NeoPixels due to timing issues. So the Raspberry Pi is connected via serial to the Arduino, and that is how the board is running. Now we will take you through the en passant and the castling moves.
Kingside castle. En passant. Checkmate.